City governments in Tennessee can pass local laws. They control planning and zoning, run fire and police departments, pick up your trash, maintain your parks, and a lot more. For all of that to actually work, it matters who is in charge. And you get to elect city leaders, including the mayor, the person with the plan, for like everything in the city, whether that's housing, finance, law enforcement, or cultural affairs. The mayor is in charge of making all those departments run smoothly. The mayor works closely with the city council, which passes city laws, approves budgets, and creates long-term plans that impact city services and community development. They also appoint a number of positions in the city government, including the city manager, who manages daily city operations and implements city council policies. Not every city has a city manager. In some cases, the city mayor fills this role. Whew, that was a lot. But remember, local politics are just as, if not more, impactful on your day-to-day life than state or national politics. And you can have a huge impact on them. So take some time to learn about the candidates in your next local election and vote.